Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to recover deleted posts on Instagram. This feature is really convenient and the process is really easy. I'll show you how. Let's get started. First of all, you need to know that you can only recover posts within 30 days of deletion. So yeah, let's get started. First of all, open Instagram on your device. Now go to your profile right here. Then you want to tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. On this menu, you want to tap on your activity option. Scroll down to find the option recently deleted. As you can see, you can view and manage recently deleted posts from here, so tap that. As you can see, I deleted this picture 1 day ago and after 29 days, I won't be able to restore it. After 29 days, this post will be permanently deleted from my page. Now let's see how to recover this deleted post. First of all, tap on that post and open it up in a big picture. Then tap on the three dots at the top right corner. You can see the options delete and restore here. You want to tap on restore. On this prompt, you will have to confirm that you want to restore the post. So yeah, tap on restore again. After this, Instagram will send a code to your phone number or email to confirm it's you. You'll have to choose where you want the code to be sent and then press next. Search for the code on your email or SMS and then you want to type it here. I've found my code, I'll type it here and then press confirm. Wait for it to load. You'll have to repeat the same process again. Tap on the three dots and then press on restore and restore again. Wait for it to be updated. As you can see, the post has been restored on my profile. So yeah, here it is in my profile. This is the end of the tutorial. I hope it was helpful and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for further tutorials. Thank you.